Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay more for less when you can make it at home for cheaper? Today we're going to be making Copycat Starbucks banana bread. To the bowl of our mixer, we're going to be adding 3/4 cup of dark brown sugar. Now I didn't have dark brown sugar, I had light brown sugar, so I added some molasses to it. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. A teaspoon of vanilla. And a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Now mix it until it's smooth. And now we add 3 ripe bananas. And give her a mix. Into a separate bowl, we're going to add 7½ ounces, or 1.5 cups, of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Now mix it all together. Into our bowl of our mixer, we add the flour mixture. Now mix until smooth. Scrape down the sides as needed. You're going to take 1/3 cups of chopped walnuts, 3 tablespoons of chopped pecans. Mix them up. And take the 1/3 cup of mixed nuts and add it to the blender. And then blend it up a little bit. Take a loaf pan and pour your mixture in. Take the remaining 3 tablespoons of nuts and sprinkle it on top. Now bake in a 325-degree preheated oven for 65 to 70 minutes. And for the cost of 1 slice of banana bread at Starbucks, we have a whole loaf. And now we dig in. For $5, make a whole loaf of banana nut bread. Or for $5, you can go get yourself 1 slice. I think I prefer the homemade over store-bought. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.